To say good morning in Hiligaynon, that's maayong aga, maayong aga. To say good noon, that's maayong udto, maayong udto. To say good afternoon, that's maayong hapon, maayong hapon. And to say good evening, that's maayong gabi, maayong gabi. Maayong aga, maayong udto, maayong hapon, and maayong gabi. If someone says maayong aga to you, to respond to that, all you have to say is maayong aga man. Man means to or also, so maayong aga man. Maayong udto man. Maayong hapon man. Maayong gabi man. And that is all about this video. See you again in the next one.